In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade Haki in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can acquire XP for your Haki or Aura to level it up. This will allow you to have more of the aura covering your body, and usually it increases the buff that you get from this effect. So if you haven't acquired your aura yet, you will be able to purchase it from the ability teacher for 25,000. After you purchase the aura, you will be able to equip it at level 1 or level 0, however you prefer to call it, and then you can begin leveling it up all the way up to stage 5. So 5 is going to be the maximum. In order to level up your aura or your Haki, you will need to defeat enemies. So basically, the aura has an EXP system that allows it to be leveled up. There are 2 ways of gaining aura experience. So as you can see, I've listed them here. For the first one, when you damage any enemies while having the aura activated, including NPCs, players, and bosses, using any sword, gun, melee weapon, or fighting style, this will grant you XP. And the other option is getting hit while having the aura activated. So as long as you attack or you get hit by something, you will be able to earn XP for your aura. These are going to be the 2 primary ways of leveling it up. You will be able to get +1 aura XP per action, and these are all the levels. So at level 0, this is when you unlock it, so this is always going to be the default state for your aura. Then you will have stage 1 at 4,000, stage 2 at 12,000, then double that for the next one, 24,000, double that again, 48,000, and finally you have 60,000 for the last, which is going to be stage 5. Every time that you increase the level, it is going to cover more of your body. Eventually, it will cover everything, like you can see on this picture here, and the buffs will be increased. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is damage enemies or get damaged while you have the aura active. I hope I was able to help you on how to upgrade Haki in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.